हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस 2 क्लास के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 3 मैट्रिसेस हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड, एवरीथिंग डन, every exercise and everything from the NCERT book matrices completed. Now this chapter is the chapter 4 lecture 1. Chapter 4 lecture 1. Chapter name determinants. Now what is introduction about the determinant? You can understand as we have done in chapter 3 matrices equations we have done, okay, and we have done everything in the matrices, okay. Now here matrices algebra also we have done, okay. Now here you know, okay, this determinant is the part of that matrices, and here we can say in other word, okay, any matrix is made by the linear equation. यानी algebra linear equation से algebraic equation, linear equation in 2 variable, linear equation in 3 variable, okay, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. So now here if 2 by 2 variable linear equation we want, then from that matrices made, and that 2 by 2 matrices, okay. Now you can see that if a1x plus b1y equal to c1, this is equation number 1. Linear equation in 2 variable standard algebra. Then second, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, equation number 2, okay. Now these are the algebraic equations, linear equations in 2 variable, x and y 2 variable here, a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are the real numbers. Constant of a1 is constant of x, b1 constant of y, and coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant term c1 and c2, okay. Now these can be written, these both can be written. This is the introduction of the determinant. These can be written. How can be written? Coefficient of x and y, a1 b1, coefficient of x y of the second row, a2 b2. This determinant, but this is matrix, okay, square matrix, 2 variable equation, then square matrix. This coefficients of x and y, first equation first row, second equation second row, into multiply matrix, you know, matrix multiplication you know, okay, multiply 2 variable, this is column matrix x into y is equal to, this product is equal to, but c1 c2 matrix, column matrix, this product equal to this, you know product how can do. See, 2 by 2 it is 2 by 1, it is 2 by 2, it is 2 row and 1 column. So multiply of this column and row are equal 2 2, then 2 by 1 result will be there. Okay, product rule of the two matrix we know, first row with first column, first element. Okay, how will come? A1x plus b1y, a1x plus b1y. Okay, first element, that is equal to C1. So C1 है, so that element is C1. Okay, if compare, and then with second row now start. First row, first column done, second column is not there. Then second row, first column only, a2x plus b2y. This is the second row, one element, that is C2 equal to C2. So this be a2x that. So we can write this. This is a standard thing. By the multiplication of the matrices, we can say this is equal to this. So these two linear equations can be written this. So this matrix algebra is as the algebraic linear equations in two variables. So this is the representation of linear equations in the मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन. ये मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन बन गई. ओके, दिस मैट्रिक्स इंटू दिस मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू दिस मैट्रिक्स. क्लियर? सो नाउ वी कैन से कि दिस let A, this let B, A into B is equal to let this C. Okay? Okay, C matrix. These are matrix. Now A matrix is, this matrix A can be written, how this written? A1 B2, this. Expand this, A1 B2, cross multiply, A1 B2 minus A2 B1 minus A2 B1. Why this written? Because this linear equation, system of linear equations has unique solution, uniqueness. Okay, so uniqueness, unique solution. What is the condition for uniqueness? A1 upon A2 is equal to, not equal, ratio not equal, B1 upon B2. For the unique solution, this condition in the algebra, in the linear equation in two variable, we know A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2, then linear equation has unique solution. For the uniqueness of the solution, this, so this is not equal to, so means what is cross multiply? A1 B2 is not equal to A2 B1, is not equal to A2 B1. This from this what is there? Then if you calculate this, this should not be equal to 0. This should not be equal to 0. This A1 B2 and this will come not equal to B1 A2 and take that side in left hand. So A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is not equal to 0. Okay? This so means for determinant, solution of this, determined means solved in one number, so not equal to 0. Okay? तो इसका कोई नंबर आ जाए, वैल्यू आ जाए इसकी, तो दिस वैल्यू इज कॉल्ड द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए. तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इज कॉल्ड द A1 B2 minus A2 B1, this. Okay, this determinant A, and this should not be equal to 0 for the unique solution. For unique solution, for unique solution. Okay, this for unique, otherwise it may be 0 also. Okay, 0 or not, both determinant. But यहाँ starting है, this is the introduction of the determinant. So we can say, what we can say, definition of determinant. Now definition. Determinant A is equal determinant of square matrix A1 B1 A2 B2. This is the symbol of determinant. Symbol of determinant, this is the determinant symbol. Matrix symbol, square bracket, only here this is the determinant. So determinant of A is equal to this. Okay, now we can say a square matrix of order n, a square matrix, you can write a square matrix of order n is called the determinant. And written by determinant A, or we can say this determinant A, or we are writing delta, value of this. Okay, written delta this, determinant A, det dot A, these are written for the square matrix and that written in the determinant form. Okay, now after this determinant A is a function of A. Determinant A is a function in A. Why function? Because we have done here as algebraic equation, that is as a function, value of the determinant square matrix, value of square matrix is determinant, that is any unique number. So means this function fa, and this is equal to output any value delta or k, any real number. Any real number. Okay, आउटपुट यानी इसकी वैल्यू, यानी कि डिटरमिनेंट ए इज ए फंक्शन, ये एक फंक्शन है. ओके, क्लियर? सो दिस कीप इन योर माइंड. तो देन determinant of A is written determinant of A not Note the modulus of A. Modulus. Note the modulus of A. Means understand कि determinant -5, determinant A is this, and this value will be -5. Okay, but if this mod -5 modulus, this saying now modulus, तो modulus -5 is 5 positive, but this as it is. Okay, so now determinant symbol is the same as symbol of modulus, but modulus symbol is saying to us if negative number then positive हो जाता है, but here determinant of any 1 by 1, it is 1 by 1. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज डिटर्मिनेंट, तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, एज इट इज व्हाट इज द नंबर. ओके, 1 by 1, तो दिस इज 1 by 1. लेट अस सपोज A is equal to determinant of A, then this will be equal to A as it is. Okay, number 1. Number 2, 2 by 2. If determinant A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, this is 2 order. N is equal to, जो जनरल आपको ऑर्डर बताया n, that is any 1 order, 2 order or 3 order. In your syllabus in +2 only up to 3 order. 3 by 3 square matrix is the determinant, and in determinant we have to calculate up to 3 order. 4 order not in your syllabus. 1 order as it is element, what is inside, determinant of this, yani value of this, and 2 by 2 I am telling. So 2 by 2 will be, as I told you, in matrix what will be, cross multiply, and this minus A11, A22 minus cross multiply this, minus this multiply A21, A12. This is the value of this determinant. Okay, and into this explain into this element, into element A11, this plus forward, this is along R1 I am expanding. Okay, then plus second element, first row, second element A12, so this into this minus this into this. Okay, this cancel, A11 into A22, this will be there only. You cancel, this cancel, A11 into A22, only this. This अब now minus this same will come, A12, this cancel this, A12 into A21, A12 into A21. Understand this, like this. this into this cancel into this, and this minus second element के लिए minus a12 this cancel into a21 this. So this is the complete value of this. तो इसमें वन रूल डिटर्मिनेंट का एक रूल बना दिया. ओके, देन थर्ड आई वांट टू टेल यू रूल. रिमार्क में क्या है, एक्सपेंड किया जाए जनरल फॉर्म डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए 3/3 की ले लेते हैं और उससे पूरा एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ 3 ऑर्डर A11 A12 IJ स्टैंडर्ड A13 थर्ड कॉलम रो फर्स्ट रो कॉलम फर्स्ट सेकंड कॉलम थर्ड कॉलम. यू नो IJ जनरल फॉर्म. देन सेकंड रो कॉलम 1 एलिमेंट, second row column 2 this element, second row column 3, then third row means R3 I3 J1 column 1 this element A I3 third row and column is 2 column का element है. This element row 3 and column also 3. This general form of the 3/3 order. Okay, 3/3. This is the determinant. How can expand along R1. This is R1. ठीक है, expand along R1. So what is this expansion? Understand, evaluate this. So how can evaluate in the one number? Every determinant means every square matrix is determinant and that determine in the one number, because this is a function. Output will be the range and range function है, ये input है. Every determinant is input. It is the function in A, FA. If A is matrix, then output will be one real number. Okay, real number set. Now this real number entries are real number here. Now this first element, understand, and before that one point is there. You remember कि -1 पावर सम ऑफ द IJ, ये फॉर्मूला है. I + J इंटू फर्स्ट एलिमेंट A11 फर्स्ट एलिमेंट and first element into, understand, first element into first row is cancel out along this first row, along this element first column cancel out, so only remaining this part 2/2 remaining this part, this is 2/2 matrix and determinant. So determinant 2/2 A22 A22 A23 A32 A33. Understand, this determinant we know 2 by 2. I told you now. So this for the first element minus 1 power I plus j always into this plus second element यानी minus 1 power I plus j formula here same जगह and into element second element of the first row a12 into determinant what determinant second element के लिए second element cancel out second column cancel out and along this first row and second column cancel out so remaining element a21 a23 a31 a33 this will be square matrix a21 so determinant of a21 a23 a31 a33 this and this can say along that element what is the column and what is the row both cancel out and remaining 4 element that is square matrix that is determinant calculate this value into this and then plus third element a13 then minus 1 power same formula minus 1 power I plus j into element a13 element into remaining after cancelling the column and the row along that element so this element a13 column is third and row is first so first row and third column cancel out remaining these two a21 a22 a31 a32 a32 okay this be careful now this is completed so how can solve this we can solve this here 1 1 I1 j1 so 1 plus 1 2 so minus 1 power 2 minus 1 square 1 into finish into this a11 so a11 element into this is cross multiply a22 a33 this element multiply minus this element a32 a23 okay done plus minus 1 power I plus j I is here 1 and j is here 2 clear beta a12 element so I1 j2 so 1 plus 2 3 so minus 1 power 3 minus 1 okay minus 1 power 1 plus 2 3 so odd if power odd minus 1 power odd I plus j is odd then minus 1 से multiply ठीक है बेटा into a12 into this a21 a33 minus a31 a23 this cross multiply then minus 1 power I plus j I is 1 j is 3 so 1 plus 3 4 minus 1 power even 4 minus 1 power even हो गया 4 then minus 1 power even is 1 तो multiply by 1 it means plus 1 into no need to write A13 into this determinant A21 into A32, A21 into A32 minus A31 A22, A31 A22. This, then what will come this? This expand full multiply. ध्यान से क्या बना? A11 A22, ध्यान से लिखो A11 A22 into A33 first element minus A11 A32 A23 minus 1 यानी minus A12 into this, तो minus A12 into A12 into A21 into A33 minus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस A12 A31 A23. This completed. Now this plus A13 into A21 into A32 minus A13 A31 into A22. So this is the expansion. One element, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. First number positive, then second negative, then this negative, then negative negative positive, then positive negative. Okay, so these value, understand, solve these numbers A11 A12 A3, any real number, to multiply and solve, this will come one unique number. Okay, and now I want to tell you one point here, important remark, that if along R1 or along R2 you are expanding, or along R3 or any column 1, column 2, like this you expanding, so same value will come. Okay, you can check. Now I am expanding now along R2. You can check this also. Okay beta, this I kept here as it is, what is the value output, and check along R2 also. Same method. Okay, now along R2. Along R2 expanding, along R2 A21 element, A21 वही formula, minus 1 power I plus j, 2 plus 1 3 into A21. Along this element, second row and first column cancel out, second row and first column cancel out, so what left? A12 A13 A12 A23 मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया मैंने, एक्सपेंड कर दिया, A23 नहीं A33. Okay, sorry, which element left? See here, which left? but along this element this cancel, तो this and A32 A33, तो A12 A33 expand A12 A33 minus this into this minus A32 into A13 A32 A32 into A13 this, then plus minus 1 power second row along along R2, ठीक है। तो सेकेंड रो सेकेंड एलिमेंट A22 I and J 2 + 2 4, तो माइनस 1 पावर 4 A22 into A22 into this along this second row and second column cancel 2 2 row 2 column 2, तो row column cancel second column second row, then A11 A13 A31 A33, तो A11 into A33 this minus A31 A13, this plus minus 1 power, always this minus 1 power I plus J, this is the third element of the second row expanding along second row, तो A23 2 + 3 5 I plus J into A23 bracket, but along this element column and row cancel, तो row is second cancel and column third cancel, तो A11 A12 A31 A32, तो A11 A32 A11 A32 minus A31 A12 A31 A31 A12, okay. This now you see this, what will come, this, right, minus 1 power 3 is माइनस 1, तो माइनस मल्टीप्लाई यानी साइन चेंज, तो ठीक है बेटा, तो ये प्लस आ जाएगा A21 A32 पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा A21 A32 A13, दिस नेगेटिव था, नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई हुई, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव होगा, ये नेगेटिव आ जाएगा A21 A12 A21 A12 A33, ठीक है, डन। ये अब माइनस 1 पावर 4 प्लस 1, तो प्लस 1 इंटू A22 यानी प्लस A22 इंटू दिस, तो प्लस A22 इंटू A11 into A33 this, then A22 into minus A22 A31 A13, डन, ओके, इसमें हो गया, डन। अब माइनस 1 पावर 5 -1 इंटू A23 तो -a23 into this positive, तो -a23 a11 then a32, and this minus and this minus plus, this a23 into a31 into a12. Now you check this solution and this solution, both will be same. You can see a21 a32 a13, a21 a32 a21 a32 a13, this element, this same positive. Okay, next negative a21 a12 a21 a12 a33, this element, this minus हो गया. नेक्स्ट a22 a11 a33 a22 a11 a33, it is positive, this done. Okay, after that negative a22 a31 a22 ये a22 a31 a13, negative, yes, this done. After that a23 ये a23 a11 a32, this product, negative, this same, this. Okay, last a23, this a23 a31 a12, check, this is the this. So means we can say कि if you are expanding along any one row, R1 or R2 or R3, or similarly column 1, column 2, column 3, result will be the same. Understand this thing? So this is the special thing to expand any determinant along R1 or along R2 or along R3 or along C1 or along C2 or along C3, any one row or any one column you expand, then value will come the same. Okay, you can check here. Done. So this is most important thing which we have done now. So one example I am giving, this is the general form I told you. Okay beta, one example you can take, any specific number you can take. Okay, now first I will tell 2 by 2 and then 3 by 3 I will tell. One 2 by 2 example. A is equal to determinant A is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3. This, expand this. Okay beta, what will come? 2 by 2 I told you. First element beta a11 I plus j 1 so 2 minus 1 power 2 minus 1 power 1 plus 1 2 into a11 1 into this, along this cancel, column and row cancel, so only minus 3. Okay beta, and plus minus 1 power I plus j, second element along R1 I am expanding, along R1 तो माइनस 2 है एलिमेंट बेटा, ठीक है. और इसकी बात ये 1 2, इट इज़ a12 फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम, तो I1 J2 तो 1 प्लस 2 3, ठीक है बेटा. एंड इनटू एलिमेंट क्या है -2 एंड इनटू दिस कैंसिल अलोंग कॉलम एंड रो, देन ओनली 2 लेफ्ट. दिस understand. So this will be the answer of this. -1 square 1 into 1, then -3 only. minus 1 cube, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 4. Okay beta, minus 1 cube, minus 1 into minus 2 into 2 minus 4, then it will be minus 3 and minus minus plus 4, then this value equal to 1. So determinant of this A is equal to 1. Answer. Okay beta, one example I taken 2 by 2. Understood? Now one example 3 by 3 I want to tell you. You will understand. ठीक है बेटा? Be careful. Along any row or column you can expand, but in the future you will expand along which column or row in which maximum element 0 will be there along that row or column, because easy to multiply 0 and something. So if maximum element 0 in which row or column, you can expand along that to make easy. Okay, now direct. Okay, now minus 1 power I plus j I will do direct. Now example determinant of A if minus 1 0 2 1 3 minus 2 0 2 1. If so then what is the value of this? Delta implies what? फर्स्ट रो के अलोंग कर सकते हैं या फर्स्ट कॉलम, इसमें भी 1 0 इसमें भी 1 0. ओके, तो अलोंग R1 I am expanding. तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, बट अंडरस्टैंड माइनस 1 पावर I प्लस j 1 1, तो 2 माइनस 1 पावर 2 1, तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट पॉजिटिव रहता है. एंड देन एलिमेंट इज माइनस 1, this minus 1 into this, row cancel, column cancel, then 3 minus 2 2 1, determinant this, solve, then cross multiply, 3 1 ja 3, minus of product of this, so 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 and minus minus plus 4. This clear? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हो गया. सेकेंड एलिमेंट 0, तो यहाँ कहेंगे प्लस और माइनस 1 पावर I प्लस जे. सेकेंड एलिमेंट हो गया 1 2 3 यानी नेगेटिव, और इनटू 0 एलिमेंट एंड इनटू समथिंग इट विल बी 0, एंड समथिंग इफ यू वांट टू राइट, तो दिस कॉलम कैंसिल, दिस रो कैंसिल, 1 1 जा 1 एंड दिस कॉलम कैंसिल, दिस रो कैंसिल. ठीक है, तो दिस कैंसिल, देन 1 1 जा 1 एंड 0 इंटू माइनस 2 0, 1 माइनस 0. ओके, थर्ड, देन प्लस थर्ड एलिमेंट 2. ओके, तो माइनस 1 पावर I प्लस जे ऑफ दिस, I इज 1 j इज 3, ith jth रोज एंड कॉलम, तो इट इज़ फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम एलिमेंट है. A1 3 है, देन 1 प्लस 3 4, तो माइनस 1 पावर सम ऑफ द I एंड j एंड इनटू दिस एलिमेंट एंड इनटू एक्सपेंड रिमेनिंग आफ्टर कैंसिलिंग द रो एंड कॉलम. सो दिस फर्स्ट रो कैंसिल, थर्ड कॉलम कैंसिल, 1 3 0 2, तो 1 इंटू 2 2 1 जा 2, minus 0 into 3 0. This done. So this determinant of this A value equal to minus 1 into 3 plus 4 7, so minus 7. okay, plus minus 1 power 3 into 0 into something yani plus 0, okay, and this third element minus 1 power 4 1 1 into 2 2, so plus 2 into 2 minus 0 2, so 2 2 is 4, then this implies minus 7 plus 4 minus 3, answer. So determinant of this is minus 3. Okay, you can do like this. Be careful about this. This rule is most important. Okay, done. You watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send to the other relative. Okay, thank you.